Welcome. This is Pakman from Mind Power Kinesis, bringing you the best of the development and esoteric knowledge from all over the world.
And before we go ahead to the first practice, you must learn a few words about the posture in meditation. This is the meditation on the etheric, astral, and mental body. The correct posture is the correct circulation of energy. The first version of the pose, which ideal of course is to use for these bodies, this is the Lotus Position. Basically, this is the figure 8 pose. This is a very stable posture, and it is believed that all energy practices should ideally be done in this pose.
There is a lot of posture, a lot of asana you can do for improving your telekinesis power. First of all, if you want to develop your energy, you should practice sun salutation. Sun salutation is a must, So many things are involved in sun salutation. Concentration on the chakras, concentration on the breathing, concentration of the body, concentration, it's pranayama, it's focus, it's concentration, and it's also meditation, and it's also energy movement through movement of the body. So sun salutation is very important. It's a must. I think it's because of that I have good energy and I can grow quickly. There is also some physical posture, there's some sitting posture. When you do the lotus pose, always put the right leg first after the left leg, in this way. Now you're in a good pose for accumulation of energy. There is also another posture we call Siddhasana.
There's also a half lotus position when one leg lies below. That is, not both legs are in top, but one. And it can also be used if you are uncomfortable in the lotus position. So start with something simple. If it is convenient for you, please, then you can switch to half lotus. Then master the lotus. Over time, your legs, your channels, your chakras, your energy structures will get used to this pose. All this will be worked out.
There is also another posture we call Siddhasana. Siddhasana is when you need some flexibility. You cannot do it if you are not enough flexible. You put one foot here, close to the perineum place, and the other foot inside this place. So the heels are pressing on the perineum place. With that, when you practice your breathing exercise, when you practice your meditation, you gain also a purification of all the nadi, of all the meridians. All in yoga we call nadi. Nadi is the same thing that meridians. It's like veins of energy. Nadi in Sanskrit means river. So it is the river of energy flowing throughout our body, throughout the chakras, and everything. Everything is living, have this energy and have chakras. So these two techniques is very useful because the purification of the nadi brings the possibility of energy to flow more inside the body and when you focus it on a place. There is also Savasana. Savasana is the technique of relaxation. So we are practicing in so many ways for developing telekinesis power.
Next exercise. Complete relaxation in Savasana with concentration. For this exercise, we need one more pose. This is Savasana. or Savasana. This is so-called corpse pose. You're lying on the floor or something not very soft but not very hard either. You lie completely relaxed. Your legs are brought together, but at the same time you're relaxed. If you bring your legs together and relax them, you will see that the tips of your feet will point slightly to the side. Hands, they are not scattered but not close enough to the body. We will call this exercise complete relaxation in Savasana with concentration. The purpose of this exercise is to learn how to concentrate on each organ. That is, you need to learn how to concentrate on each of the organs while feeling complete relaxation in the rest of the organs. Maintaining concentration on one part of the body and completely relaxing the rest of the body. All of these exercises will come in very handy later and on in advanced visualization techniques. Now, how this practice is done. So you lie in Savasana, face up. You're lying on your back, not on your stomach. Relax. The simplified version is the concentration on 5 zones. So you lay down on the floor and then start working with the 5 zones. Right arm, right leg, left arm, left leg, and the whole torso, from the hips to the neck. You lay down, completely relax, release the muscles of the face, the muscle of the arm, everything should be relaxed. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Next, you clench your right fist as you inhale. You breathe in, clench your right fist, and then at the same time the entire arms and shoulder. Hold the breath and tension for a little bit. Then exhale. And as you exhale, they relax. They drop their hands on the floor. You can even feel a lift a little by 3 to 5 cm. Slightly raise, completely all this concentration on this hand. Squeezed, inhale, a light hold, and then exhale. Then let go, drop them. If you know how to concentrate so that there is heaviness and tingling, then this is very good. After that, do the same with your left hand. You clench your left fist while inhaling, straining the entire hand, hold, then exhale and drop your hand. After that, the right leg, while inhaling, they strain the toes, the entire leg to the thigh entirely. You can slightly raise it and exhale, then drop it. And then the left leg, of course, it is the same. Inhale, while inhaling, strain your toes, your whole leg and thigh, hold it, then exhale and drop. After that, inhale, strain the entire torso. Strain, hold it for 2 to 4 seconds, and then relax. Now relax everything. You have come to a full circle. As you inhale, you contract, strain, and then hold it a little bit, and then release it as you exhale. Right hand, right leg, left leg, and torso. These are 5 zones. Concentrate completely on this area of the body. Only on this zone. No other. Because you need to learn to strain and concentrate through tension on only one part of the body. This is the essence of this exercise.